Today I'm going to show you how to use a hole cutting die. I have an 8mm gold base hole cutting die on our green machine. I'm going to show you with some different materials. Do not slam down the die. Make sure you apply pressure and then apply your weight all at the back end to make a clean cut. We'll do that again. Apply some pressure and then put all your weight on it. One more time. If you slam your die down, it doesn't get the cleanest of cuts. And if you're going to use much thinner material, I suggest adding some cardboard to the base, putting your material over the top to get a nice clean cut.